Welcome to the exciting world of 1,000 Vlogs. Next time you feel the temperature drop and the cold breeze touch your skin, think about the warm, savory, slightly sweet, garlic-y flavors from the original Pares Mami house. Unlike other Pares spots, this restaurant has been serving the quintessential Pares Retiro everyone's been talking about since 1989. Every corner of the metro has a place that claims they serve Pares Retiro. However, if you want to try the authentic version, head on to NS Amaranto Street in La Loma, Quezon City. Fun fact, years ago, Amaranto Street was actually called Retiro Street. That's why people started calling the dish Pares Retiro, because it was literally the Pares made in Retiro. Please like, share, and subscribe. Please do watch our other food crawl series. Ordering food in this restaurant is pretty straightforward. Just call the order taker and say you'll have the Pares. You can also add sides, such as Siomai and Siopao. You also don't have to worry about ordering rice since Pares literally translates to pears in English, because the slow-cooked beef stew is always served with fried rice. You can also try their Chinese-style rice meals like garlic chicken, Chopsuey, and beef broccoli, or the noodle version of Pares called Mami, which has a thinner soup base served with thick noodles instead of rice. One thing to note is how other customers might stand near your table while waiting. This is because the place is fast-paced, and it isn't considered rude to wait for other people to finish their meals so you can immediately sit down after them. Pares Retiro will always have a special place in the hearts of Filipinos from the metro because of its distinct taste and nostalgic elements.
Ocho oras. Masarap pagkain dito, te. Gano'n ka nakatagal dito?
14 years. Kaso pila ng payat na payat noon. Wala na siya. Ay, yung payat? Matagal na yun.
Thank you for watching.
Paggamit siya, para matagaan niya.
Kindly subscribe for more exciting vlogs.